Good morning all. My name is Mridula Vijay Mure and I am from grade 8B. Today I am here to recite the Shanti Mantra. Kindly join your hands and close your eyes. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Thank you.
A very happy day to all my dear students and dear teachers. Today, we celebrate yet another important day, International Day of Yoga. Since its inception in the year 2015, June 21st is considered as the International Day of Yoga, an initiative by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi for introducing yoga to the world. He mentioned that yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It is not about exercise, but to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world, and the nature. By changing our lifestyle and creating consciousness, it can help in our well-being. New Horizons Scholars School always considered yoga as an integral part of curriculum. Do we associate yoga only with assessment or marks? No, dear children. Yoga is not just a subject, not just for marks, not just for assessment. Yoga is the best medicine for a healthy mind, soul, and a beautiful heart. If we want to lead a better and disease-free life, make it part of your daily routine. Your teachers teach you all the methods to incorporate yoga in your daily life. So they arrange yoga event in many of our school programs. Thank you to all the yoga or wellness teachers for planning today's special day and trying or making an attempt for developing interest and making it a part of our students' life. My heartfelt gratitude to all the students and parents who have actively participated in today's event. Dear children, we look for happiness, and happiness comes from peace of mind. Yoga is one ideal way to attain it, as it is the way of life. Today, the whole world can fight the deadly virus corona with yoga, as practicing yoga improves our immunity. I would like to end with these beautiful lines that I came across. No yoga, no peace. KNOW, no yoga, no peace. And now yoga, now peace. So let's start with the journey of attaining peace through yoga. A very happy International Yoga Day. Do yoga every day and live fit and healthy life. Thank you. God bless.
Yoga is an effective tool while facing uncertainty and anxiety in this difficult time. Good morning, respected Director and Principal Jyoti Nair Ma'am, Coordinator Smita Ma'am, and all my respected teachers and dear friends. Myself Kumash Pilankar from grade 7F. As we are promoting Health and Fitness Week, I have been handed over the opportunity to welcome you all in this great and auspicious day of yoga before you. It is a privilege to speak over art, which was discovered and mastered in India since ancient times. Workout trends come and go, but what remains in trend forever is yoga. To spread awareness, the International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on 21st June worldwide. Even our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, practices and promotes yoga on a larger scale. Therefore, it is essential we incorporate yoga and practice it in our daily life, at home, with family, at school, and in our society. I would like to welcome you all by thanking for lending your valuable time and attending the program. Last but not the least, thanking our principal and our teachers for arranging such an inspirational event. Now I hand over the session to my dear friends Shriya and Ayush to continue with the remaining part of this event of today. Thank you.
योगेश, बेटा योगेश उठो, 8 बजने को आया, लेट हो रहा है, कब से उठा रही हूँ। सोने दो ना मम्मा, आज लेक्चर स्किप करता हूँ, वैसे भी मैम कुछ नहीं देखेगी। ओहो, थक गई मैं इस लड़के को बोल के। उठना, जल्दी उठ। मम्मा, आज आपने नाश्ता क्या बनाया है? आप आज मुझे पास्ता और कुरकुरे ही दीजिएगा। अरे पहले फ्रेश हो, ब्रश कर, एक्सरसाइज कर। वो गुड़िया को देख, छोटी होकर भी जल्दी उठ के एक्सरसाइज करके नहा धो के क्लास अटेंड करने बैठी है।
भैया उठो ना, ऐसे आलसी मत बनो, सब काम सही टाइम पे करो वरना एक दिन पछताओगे।
चुप, बढ़िया ही मुझे सिखाने, आराम से सोने में मजा आता है। मम्मा मुझे पास्ता दो।
हे भगवान, भैया देख तेरा योगा का लेक्चर, मैम इज गिविंग वेरी नाइस इंफॉर्मेशन।
So children, I have explained you all the things about yoga and pranayama. I hope you all will follow it. I know that in this class there are some lazy students who are not attending the classes. You must wake up early morning to do yoga.
Yes ma'am, I am doing it every day.
Ma'am, he's telling lie.
My dear children, in this pandemic situation, you must do yoga and pranayama with your family and stay safe and take care. Bye children, have a nice day.
Yogesh, why were you telling lie in the class?
अरे क्या कटकट है घर में, दादा दादी मम्मी छोटी सब मेरे पीछे पड़ते, अभी तुम भी।
हाँ, लेकिन भैया किसी की सुनता ही कहाँ है। आप भी बताओ ना उसे हेल्थ के बारे में।
योगेश, गजल क्या है? उसमें भी इस टाइम में वी हैव टू टेक प्रिकॉशंस एंड फॉलो योगा टू इंक्रीज आवर इम्यूनिटी।
हाँ समीर, मेरे घर में भी हम सब साथ में सुबह योगा करते हैं।
हाँ, मेरे घर में भी सेम अवेयर ऑफ हेल्थ नाउअडेज। यार योगेश, सुधर जाना भी।
यस योगेश, समीर इज राइट।
Hello, good morning children. Today I am very happy because you all are aware of yoga and its health benefits. Also that you have to do yoga with your family members daily. Very good. Okay, could anyone tell me why Yogesh is absent so often? Today also he hasn't joined the meeting.
मैम, ही इज नॉट वेल। नम्रता बताओ ना।
उसको ना तेज बुखार है और वीकनेस भी है। मम्मी ने बताया। मैम प्लीज डू समथिंग।
Wait, I will call him. हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं योगेश की टीचर बोल रही हूँ। आई वॉन्ट टू स्पीक टू योगेश। कैन यू कॉल हिम प्लीज?
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, आई एम वेरी सॉरी, मैम ये सब मेरे लेजीनेस का नतीजा है। मैम मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, पता नहीं कब ठीक हो पाऊंगा।
डरो मत बेटा, हिम्मत से काम लेना है। ओके, अभी मैं जिसे बोलती हूँ वैसे करो।
यस मैम, आई विल डू इट।
Close your eyes. Slowly take a deep breath in. Now breathe out. Yes, again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good, beta. Try to continue this, dear. Also take medicines prescribed by your doctor.
Yes ma'am, I feel better now. I will concentrate on my breathing.
Mom, last lecture you taught us this. It increases immunity, right?
Yes, ma'am. All my family members are doing together yoga and following pranayam.
Very good, beta. I am very happy to know that you all are practicing yoga daily. Take care, children. Bye and have a nice day.
Hi Yogesh, how are you now?
Sameer, I am well now. You know, I started doing yoga pranayam with my mom.
Because of yoga, it increases immunity, keeps force strong and healthy.
Really, yoga is a magic. I experience. ये तो हमारे भारतीय संस्कार है. We have to follow it. काश मैंने पहले ही सुन लिया होता तो इतनी तकलीफ नहीं होती.
हाँ, प्राचीन काल में पतंजलि अयंगार आदि योगाचार्य ने योग कला लिख के रखी है. उसकी वजह से ये कला हमें प्राप्त हुई है.
We all have to follow it. Then we can fight all diseases easily. कोरोना हो या और कोई भी, we can keep ourselves healthy and strong with yoga. ये तो योगा से ही होगा.
I am Arya Rakesh Shinde from grade 7C and I greet you all a great International Yoga Day. I'm so happy and glad to be before you online to speak about Yoga Day. I take this as a great opportunity. Due to the COVID-19 crisis, year's theme for International Yoga Day is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation on the occasion of International Yoga Day 2020. Yoga is the most effective way of connecting your soul to God. It balances our mind and body and connects us to the natural world and helps us to appreciate the world in a healthier approach. Meditation, a form of yoga, helps us to think about life and the supreme power God, which makes us a better person and helps to make better decisions about life. Meditation is the most favorable method of balancing the psychological level of a person. It gives immense serenity and peace to a person and helps to undertake daily struggles in a healthy manner. I have learned yoga as a student in my school, and as my personal experience, it is the best way to commence your day with. This would help students in focusing on the subject more and understand it in an uncomplicated manner. Every school should have a yoga session in the morning and have some quality yoga teachers. In this way, we would also preserve the precious souvenir given to us by our ancestors. Let us all come together and celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21st and give ourselves the gift of well-being. Thank you. Be fit and healthy. Into a healthy, joyful, peaceful and loving human being. Through every action of mine, I will strive to create a peaceful and loving atmosphere around me. I strive to break the limitations of who I am right now and include the entire world as my own. I recognize the kinship of my own life with every other life. I recognize the unity of all there is. Thank you and have a nice day.
present a play in front of you all. The child exams are coming close and his parents are worried about him that how is he gonna appear and pass his exam.
Hey Sushila, listen up.
Yeah, come in Raju ke papa.
Raju's exams are coming close and I'm worried that he is not completely recovered from his mental health.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same. The medicines are not working and there is no improvement in his health. What do we do now?
See whether he passes or fails. But Sushila, remember, whatever the result is, we will support him.
Yes. Now let's get back to our work.
Finally, the exam day arrives. He tries to focus on his paper and was not able to do so due to his mental illness, and eventually he fails.
Raju beta, all the best for the exams.
Best of luck, Raju. Take your time and write the paper.
Yes, Mummy Papa. Thank you so much.
Raju sat on his bench, wrote the paper, and tried to remember his answer.
How was your paper, beta?
Sorry, Mama. I tried my best. It didn't go well.
It's okay, beta. Now you move, change your clothes and have your lunch.
Good morning, Mrs. Sushila.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but Raju has failed in the exam and hence is not promoted to the next. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. You too.
When he gets the news of him getting failed in the examination, the parents are now tense and decide him to take to the Baba to get him treated.
Raju ke papa, what are we going to do now?
Okay, let's go and visit Tantric Baba. Maybe he would help us.
Yeah, even I was thinking the same.
When they reached Baba Ashram, they saw two of the bhakt acting weird, so they decided to leave from here.
Raju beta, now we are going to Baba. He will help you. Don't worry.
Yes, Mama.
What is this man doing there?
Raju ke papa, I don't know but I don't feel good about this place. Let's go to some another ashram.
The parents went to another Baba, the Jhumru Baba, where he performs some rituals on the child and assures them that the child will be well soon. But the parents decline to continue with the procedure.
बालक बालक पनीर पालक अलख निरंजन दांत में मंजन। बताओ वत्स, क्या समस्या है तुम्हारी?
बाबा, मेरे बेटे को मानसिक तकलीफ हो रही है।
पुत्र, मुझे डर है कि तुम्हारे बेटे को किसी की आत्मा तंग कर रही है। पुत्र, मेरे समीप आओ। आओ आओ आओ, अरे आओ ना। बालक बालक पनीर पालक अलख निरंजन दांत में मंजन। जंतर मंतर आत्मा फात्मा प्रेतात्मा साम दाम दंड भेद ईम ब्रीम कोल्ड क्रीम भक्ति मुक्ति सुप्रभात गंदी गंदी गंदी
बाबा, ये आप क्या कर रहे हो? हम हमारी समस्या खुद ही सुलझा लेंगे। आप लगे रहो अपनी गंदी गंदी बातों में।
When they gave up, one of his friends showed up and suggested them to pay a visit to a doctor. After listening to her advice, they decided to try it and went to the doctor.
Good morning, Raju.
Go away from here. Leave me alone.
Why, Raju? What happened?
Everyone says I'm mental. Everyone makes fun of me in school. I don't know what to do. You leave me alone.
Friend goes to Raju house to talk to his mother.
Good morning, Auntie.
Good morning, beta. How are you?
I am fine, Auntie. I'm here to talk about Raju.
Yes, beta. Tell me what happened.
He told me that you took him to the Tantric. So what I'm suggesting is you should consult him to a doctor, as I'm sure the doctors can cure his problem.
Okay, child. I'll talk to Raju's dad and we'll surely visit him a good doctor. Thank you for your suggestion, beta.
My pleasure, Auntie.
They paid a visit to the doctor. The doctor did a checkup of him and suggested him to do yoga and meditation on daily basis and prescribed him some medicines for a certain period of time.
Good evening, doctor. My name is Shyam Kumar and I am here as my son is facing some serious mental health issues. So, if you have any suggestions and medicines, please tell us.
Okay. Beta, please come here.
The doctor does the checkup of the child.
Okay. So there's nothing to be worried about. But he has to do yoga and meditation every day. And this is the medicine. He has to take it for 7 days after lunch.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. Raju ke papa, it's 1 month now. And Raju's behavior is also better than before. He is able to study properly. Let's go and visit the doctor again.
Yes, you are right. We'll go tomorrow. Good morning, doctor. Your prescribed medicines, meditation and yoga has worked, doctor. Raju is feeling a lot better than before. We just want to have a final checkup of him.
He is fine now. But he has to keep doing yoga every day, as yoga relaxes your mind and keeps the body fit.
Okay, doctor. Thank you so much for your guidance.
Anytime, ma'am. Take care, beta.
From this play, we understand that doing yoga and meditation on daily basis, we can keep our body fit and relax our mind. Thank you.
We hope you liked the play. Now, moving forward, my friends would like to present asanas in front of you all.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna